The idea that oil comes from dinosaurs is a common misconception, but it's not entirely accurate. The origin of oil has been debated for centuries, with various theories attempting to explain its formation and abundance on Earth. One theory suggests that oil was formed by swamps during the Permian Age, where organic matter accumulated layer by layer over millennia, compressing vegetation underground until it eventually transformed into oil. However, this theory has been challenged as there is no present-day example of such a process occurring anywhere on Earth. Another perspective comes from Austrian geoscientist Dr. Siegfried E. Tischler, who pointed out that according to the accepted theory of oil formation, organic matter living in oceans sinks and decays at the bottom, forming crude oil. While this might be happening to some extent in the Black Sea, there is no clear evidence supporting this process as a primary source for oil production. The Hubbert Peak Oil Theory, named after American geophysicist King Hubbert, is a model that predicts the production peak of conventional oil reserves. It suggests that global oil production will reach its maximum rate at some point in time before eventually entering a decline phase due to depletion of resources. In 1956, Hubbert applied this theory to the United States and predicted that domestic oil production would peak around 1970. His prediction was remarkably accurate, as U.S. oil production did indeed reach its peak in the early 1970s. However, critics argue that Hubbert's methodology has limitations because it does not consider factors such as likely resource growth, application of new technology, basic commercial factors, or the impact of geopolitics on production. Additionally, some experts question whether there will be a single global peak oil production rate given the vast differences in oil reserves and extraction methods across countries and regions. Cambridge Energy Research Associates, Sarah, for instance, has stated that Hubbert's approach does not work universally and that his projection of reaching worldwide peak oil in 2000 was later moved forward to 2010. Despite these criticisms, the Hubbert Peak Oil Theory remains influential in discussions about global energy supply and demand. Moreover, Jim Marrs highlights that many people question the Hubbert Peak Oil Theory, which predicts when global oil production will reach its maximum output and decline. Additionally, recent experts have begun to challenge the very concept of fossil fuel. In the mid-1800s, as demand for petroleum grew with the onset of the Industrial Age, scientists were at a loss to explain where oil came from in the first place. The presence of organic matter found within raw petroleum pumped from the ground led to the emergence of the theory that oil originated from decomposed dinosaurs. Geoscientist Dr. Ralph E. White and others have proposed an alternative explanation for the formation of hydrocarbons like coal, oil, and gas. They suggest that these substances are created by underground methane sources feeding a vast subterranean biosphere of bacteria. These hydrocarbon-producing microbes then convert the methane into crude oil and other fossil fuels. In summary, while it is true that organic matter plays a role in the formation of oil, attributing its origin solely to dinosaurs oversimplifies a complex process involving various geological phenomena and biological interactions deep within our planet's crust.
Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Have a topic you want us to talk about? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.